Hey guys, the other day I was out fishing and I happened to see this bag floating in a pond, and next to it was, yes, you can still see some water, and I have not opened it yet. Next to it there was a lawn chair inside of a sleeve, which I fished out as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what's in this bag, and if it seems to be anything important, I'm going to throw a post up on Facebook and hopefully find the owner of it so we can get it back to him. But let's see what is in this bag that I found floating in a pond next to a river. It wasn't the actual river, it was a pond. So let's check it out. First, this one's zipper pouch. I really hope there's not anything scary in here or disturbing. We have this. Well, that's gonna be stinky. We happen to have a cigarette pack with a lighter. It's not waterproof. Had it been waterproof, it wouldn't be messy and stinky like that. There is a screwdriver. Dear God, there's garlic in there. And a butter knife. Let's open a bigger pouch so we can empty it out and then get to that one easier. We'll zip it up here. Man. Waterlogged cigarettes and then waterlogged garlic. Well, we have it's still on the hanger too. I see what you've done there. Wow. I think it's still got a tag too. More than magic, huh? $16.99. I'll buy this waterlogged garment made of flame resistant fabric. Well, it's not water resistant. Yeah, actually, when I got the chair, I opened it up, and when I dumped it, a crayfish and a baby bullhead fell out of it. Huh. All natural Jif peanut butter. That's sealed. I imagine it smells good. I really can't smell it too well. So place that there. Candle. That is pretty cool. A bit of water. Foggy mason jar. Really good seal. They should have kept the cigarettes in there. Pretty cool. It's got a broken thing there, but it was a solar light. An oven mitt with... What in the world are these? Glow in the dark fish? And cockroach and spider. Odd survival gear so far. Oh, that's got some water and some cigarette butts. They almost had the right idea. Another candle. Living. Oven mitt with one little stick. Let's dump this out. And another lighter. Pretty cool flame lighter. It's not gonna light, I don't think. And add a survival lighter. It may work. An oven mitt. I guess that'd be good for grabbing hot stuff. Face mask. It's got a tag on it. Bungee cords. That's helpful. A winter hat. I guess if you found something like this when you're out and lost, it could come in very handy. Single-use cups, which could be reused. You can put them out during the rain to collect rainwater. Same with all these. Purified water and put it in these. Another candle. Plastic bag. Wow, mason jar of glow sticks on a necklace with a lid, one of the sippy ones, and water. You can purify that with the purifier that I have. Magic eraser in another bag. Now let's see what's in this pouch, the rest of it. Yep, just a whole bunch of very gross garlic. You can smell that. Alright, so I guess if you're out lost and you found all this could be charged up for some light. That would help you. This stuff could be helpful if you were lost. I'm probably throwing that up on it still because it may not be much, but it may be all someone has. And I'd feel real bad keeping it or using any of it without at least trying to find the owner. So if you find something, it's cool to check it out, look at it. But if you think it's abandoned, leave it there in the bushes or try to find the owner if you can. Search for a name because maybe it fell off a boat or something. Maybe they put it there and planned on coming back. But I was in that spot all day long and I did not see anyone there. And no recent signs. There was actually another bag, but it was too heavy to get in, which I imagine had blankets in it. Because the way it was rolled up, and that was waterlogged. So it'd been there quite a while, I think. And maybe not. Maybe it just floated from shore out. But either way, I'm going to throw an ad up and see if I can find the owner of all this stuff. And if not, I guess I have some mason jars and a rainbow colored moo-moo. So, until next time, guys. See you later.